everyone, my name is Boris the Wolf and today I'm playing Doctor Who, The Edge of Reality. And good golly gosh, this looks nice. Wow, even the TARDIS details look amazing. This is a sequel game to Edge of Time, and I think Alice told me it got past Weaving Angels, which means now I gotta go against those creepy machines again as well as the first. Oh, good golly gosh, this is not gonna go well. No, I'm a strong wolf, I'm a brave wolf, and of course I have my cans of bacon soup with me to protect me. And golly, that is delicious. Alright, so continue. Ooh, pretty. Whoa!
Hey.
Oh, I remember this place.
I've already got some bad news. The sands that blow across the surface of this planet are somehow blocking my Zartan readings.
What?
That means
Not again.
find the last time crystal old school way.
Okay, but... Whoa. Okay then. Off to find a kind crystal.
The planet itself welcoming us.
I'll see you in a minute, sweet TARDIS. Okay, so where am I supposed to look,
I've had a quick squiz through the local archives, and this place is known as the Temple of the First. That can't be a coincidence. Look, I'm not jumping for joy at the prospect of going in there. But it is the most likely place to find the final crystal. We've got to check it out.
You're right. This must...
That's it. Keep doing that. I think it's working. Good answer.
It's a good thing I found it. The good thing about playing a VR game is knowing what to do. Kind of. There it is!
The time crystal. I didn't think it'd be that easy.
Hey, oh, what? Not again!
Right.
Oh,
You've spoken too soon. Hey.
you had to jinx
Can't
it!
get any worse.
Ooh, great. It's not fair. Now I gotta go find it again.
Looks like that's it.
Okay.
That's a Dalek. This place was meant to be serene and peaceful.
Oh, not again. Not those awful Daleks again. Those things terrify me. I gotta think of what did I do last time.
Don't be too loud. Daleks can detect even the slightest sound. And we really need to get past this one and through that door. If you wander into its light or get too close, they'll attack like there's no tomorrow. And if you die, there may not be a tomorrow.
Okay, but what do I do, wait. Oh. Okay, I think I remember something. I did this last time. Maybe it'll work here. Steady.
Scanning for the intruder.
We need to distract it somehow.
That worked. Hooray! Later, creep.
That was a close one. Okay, I've tapped into the TARDIS database. And you know I said things couldn't get any worse?
What do you mean?
Well, I was wrong.
Huh?
Remember that time glitch?
Yeah?
Well, now we're in a future where the Daleks invaded the planet.
Huh?
They're trying to work out how to harness the power of the time crystals. The more immediate problem, I'm picking up signals from a bunch of Daleks, All pretty close to where we are now.
Oh dear!
Guessing more cheese graters from hell. Stay sharp, okay? And stay out of their sight.
That's not good. These two again.
Command reports that Earth has fallen. Our empire stretches from Skaro to New Spyridon.
Or to the
We
toilet.
must reign supreme. The Dalek Empire must be universal.
It must be the garbage.
The new power source will unlock total dominion for the Daleks. Reports indicate the presence of temporal anomalies. Explain.
The first?
Sensors detect disturbances in the fabric of time and space. Reality is being dislocated. Anomalies must not distract us from our destiny. There is only one reality. Correct.
Is it mine?
An incorruptible reality. Daleks are the one pure race. All other species must be exterminated.
No.
Daleks rule supreme. All other life forms will be exterminated. Exterminate.
No.
Daleks rule supreme.
You don't rule anything. I've beaten you before. I'll beat you again, you stupid tin cans. Oh. There we go.
That was.
Oh.
It's just sent my circuits cold. Literally.
Oh! Alice warned me about that! A Cyber Reaper! Oh, good golly gosh!
Another one. Let's do the same as before, okay? Slow and stealthy.
Okay,
Possible the object has been scanned, assessed, and
I gotta remember how to get past this.
possible investigation successful. Possible investigation successful. Poses no threat to Dalek supremacy.
These Daleks are not making it easy this time.
Unit patrol completed in Area 8.
Come on! Hurry!
How many of these things are there?
Dalek patrols in progress. All rebels will be located and executed.
We need to get that door open.
Oh, that's right, the controls over there.
The source must be guarded.
That Dalek is blocking our way. You need to get it to move.
The power source must be guarded.
Maybe this one does something.
Scanning for the intruder.
As long as we're not directly in its line of sight, it won't be able to see us.
Recommencing patrol.
There's that massive pillar for cover.
Okay, but how am I gonna press that button from here?
Dalek command reports there are intruders in the temple. Any unauthorized presence will be destroyed. Unsanctioned sensors indicate intruder detected. Identify yourself.
Get away from me! Get away! You can't.
If the human has taken evasive action, all combat
As long as we're
units
not
must
directly in
hunt
his line of
the
sight,
intruder.
he won't be able to see us. We could use that massive pillar for cover.
The power source must be guarded.
Good golly gosh, it worked!
Unsanctioned intruder detected.
How am I gonna get past him?
Yourself. Unsanctioned. Recommencing patrol.
Oh!
Dalek's patrols in progress. All rebels will be located and executed.
That's it. Go towards the middle, you dumb tin can.
Dalek's patrol. Unsanctioned activity in temple.
Wow.
Investigate.
That was intense.
Investigate.
Can you imagine what it's like to be the Doctor?
Huh?
Do this kind of stuff all the time. For me personally, I'll take the TARDIS database over killer aliens any day of the week.
Yeah, me too. Well, I made it out of that one.
I don't think these ones are occupied, so...
Huh? Wait, what'd I do? Huh?
Let's do this.
Oh! Oh! Okay, I remember this. Ah!
Fire!
Intruder must be eliminated.
Get away! Get off!
The intruder must be eliminated.
Okay, get us through those doors.
Okay, we're jumping into this. I thought I wouldn't have time to get to a Dalek suit. There we go. Oh,
Watch out for that drone!
wait. The better part about this is I have mobility. You Daleks don't scare me. I now have full mobility. You will be exterminated.
Casing has suffered catastrophic damage. I have failed. I have.
You fail as you always will. Exterminate. Daleks are not supreme.
Before they reach us.
Kill it! Kill him with fire!
Traitors, immobilized. The Daleks will take vengeance for your brutality.
You'll never take me alive!
Look! A modular power-up! Destroy it, and your hand cannon will rise to power levels over 9,000!
Oh! Take this! Exterminate! Go! Exterminate! Get away from me! Destroy!
You have damaged me. Have you no mercy? You will be destroyed.
Good luck trying to stop me! You missed me!
Human, you have damaged me. Have you no? You have damaged. Massive damage sustained. This death.
It's your death! Golly, that was fun! Oh! Oh! Next room! Oh! So uncivilized. Ooh! Ah! No fear! Get away! Get away from me!
Loss of control! Malfunction! Malfunction! Malfunction!
Fire! A power! Exterminate! Destroy! Destroy! I'm losing visuals! First, retreat! Retreat! Oh!
More drones!
Oh! Oh! I must have got to a checkpoint! Oh! Exterminate! Exterminate!
But has rendered me inoperative. Let the creature's blood pay for this ignominy.
Oh! Where are they? Oh! I'm trapped!
The power source must be protected. Exterminate the intruder.
Come on! Boom! You'll never take me alive! Oh!
I can sense the time crystal. We're almost there.
Yay! Oh! Stand still or die! Oh! Oh! Come on! Stand down!
We're so close. Dig deep and let's do this.
Oh!
The final crystal is in there.
Oh!
Press that dais and get us out of here.
Okay,
Come on,
these checkpoints are really handy.
dig deep and let's do this.
I don't have any power. Come on.
The dais is protected by an energy pulse field. We need to disable it.
Come on. Uh-oh.
Shoot those power nodules.
Ah!
Leave the dais exposed.
What power modules? I'm under attack. Get away.
Grab that power.
Oh! Oh!
Those power nodules need to be disabled.
Get!
Destroy the dais.
Exterminate!
Whoa. A Dalek casing. It's gone.
I did it!
I was starting to feel at home in there. There must be a way to activate this stone dais.
Golly, that was fun! Oh! I wish that fight would have gone on much longer. I enjoyed beating those things to death. Well, here we go!
The TARDIS. What? What's it doing here? We've got to go in and see what's happening.
I feel like I've been through this before. Doctor? Are you in here? Good golly gosh, what happened?
What the? What's going on? The TARDIS has been destroyed.
What?
We're too late. She's wiped out reality.
Who's wiped out reality? Oh, good golly gosh, what do I do? Hello? Who's there?
Okay, we're in the inner temple of the First, and here she is. Don't try anything rash.
The First!
Unbelievably powerful.
Unbelievably powerful. You say it like it was a bad thing. Power, in the right hands, can be beautiful. And you don't have to worry about my omnipotence. After all, Mother knows best. I only wanted what was best for my children. Would you hold that against me? Could you hold that against any parent? The only difference is, I have the power to make my resolve become reality.
Your reality is our universe
I'll give
dead!
you a second chance. I will give all living creatures rebirth. And before that rebirth, I ask for only one thing. Your death.
No!
Universal annihilation in exchange for a brighter tomorrow.
There'll be no tomorrow for you!
Talk about tough love.
Very!
I love you all. Good night.
No!
I'm gonna need your help more than ever now.
Doctor!
The universe is hanging by a thread.
What
The
do I do?
virus has deleted the TARDIS interior and wiped out almost everything. Hey, I love a good almost. And right now, that almost says to me, you can still do this. You can fight it. You can come back. Because this time round, I found out very quickly that sometimes all it really needs is a leap of faith.
Leap of faith. Oh! I'm back! Oh!
Back in the land of the living, are you?
Yeah?
Doctor filled me in. Turns out she didn't need the Zyton.
What?
She did need you to visit all those places to collect the time crystals, because she knew the First was watching her, and by extension, watching you.
Those locations were the last things in the First's memory, and so they're virtually the last snatches of reality to be destroyed. I've hidden 3 items, one in each of 3 environments.
The Doctor disguised the items, but all of them has something unique about their physical appearance. A clue that suggests they're bound up with the First in some way.
I'll explain
Really?
later, but when they're placed together, they'll form a device powerful enough to deal with the First. I hope. Because the universe is so fractured, to reach a location that still exists, you just have to visualize it. That's what you've got to do now. I can't help you, because the voice you're hearing now is a simple psychic projection while I keep the First busy.
Oh! Well, what do I do though, Doctor?
First, you must remember the office from the London laundrette.
The office. Wait. I remember
Let your
this.
memories guide us to where we need to go now.
Yeah,
I'm losing you.
I remember. I did defeat her. And I know just how. The office. Huh?
Is there anything in there that looks familiar?
The box!
Great! And our neural connection is straight. Our optic connection is getting clearer. Start looking for the second piece.
Campsite. The tablet!
You got it! We need just one more piece,
Huh?
which means one more memory.
Huh?
What do you think you're doing?
Huh?
Are you trying to interfere with my plans?
Ignore her. Just find the third object and let's get out of here.
Third object! The painting!
You did it! We've got the final piece of the device. I'm gonna pull you back to the temple so we can put the 3 pieces together.
Okay,
We're back.
Oh.
Oh, what happened?
Whoa!
The objects. They're here, but what do we do now?
You're too
Yeah.
late. Don't you see that?
Huh?
I'm redeeming my children, giving you all a second chance. Why would you fight against that?
I fight against
Happy
you!
Mother's Day.
My lot,
No.
my people, they reckoned the first might make it here someday.
Huh?
So they created a device powerful and ingenious enough to send her back to her beginning. It was
The Time
too
Lords
dangerous
did?
to leave lying about. So I split it into 3 and hid it. I knew the first would be watching me, so I needed you to make sure those locations were amongst the last to exist, and that you could get back to them.
Really?
It's crucial. You had to know them really well. I've appealed to the first to let us continue to live our lives, offered her a truce. She refused. So now you have to send her back to the genesis of time using the device you've assembled.
Yeah!
Hardly any time left.
Huh?
I
Well,
know
what do I do?
to do.
Huh?
You've got to sonic the device.
I remember! You took away my memory! I remember now! Well, it's game over for you! I know what I must do! Huh? You're done for, first! Whoa!
Yes!
Did I do it?
Think of me kindly when I'm gone.
Huh?
When you see a sunset or flowers, remember my love for you. I only wanted what was best for my children. For you.
Well, I already have it. I have it all.
Well, I don't want you to get too big for your boots. But guess what?
Huh?
I
What?
reckon you just saved the universe.
I did? Yay! Huh. I actually did it! Again!
The first's been flung back to the beginning of time, but she's not dead. Good news, without her, the virus ceased to exist and reality's snapping back into place. Right, let's get going. Always love this bit. Less good
Me too.
news. Because the first lives, she's effectively in a time loop. She'll try time and again to unleash the virus and wipe out all of sentient creation. She'll always return. That's why you've always got to be there to stop her. Till I can come up with a long-term solution. Not gonna lie, getting some weird readings.
What?
Sorry I misled you, I didn't have a choice. I let the first kidnap me, and I had to let her think I was done for. I figured she might intercept some messages, but knew she wouldn't be worried about you collecting Zyton. All the time though, me, you and Emma were working together.
Huh?
Thought you'd forgotten about me there.
Really?
Would I do that? And Emma, I'm gonna download your consciousness into a synthetic person, so you can live your life and...
Huh?
The cloister bell.
What? Wait,
Ah, I really must alter the sound
Wait.
setting on that thing.
this
Is
isn't
that
happened
shite?
before!
Oh, it always scares me to death.
Huh?
I might change it to the Teddy Bear's Picnic.
What is it?
Wait,
It's an old song, used to make my granddaughter laugh.
huh?
I meant the cloister bell.
Oh,
Huh?
it goes off when wild catastrophes are imminent.
What?
Which is why I'm dropping you two off. We're back, but something's changed.
What do you
Whether
mean
know
something's
it or not,
changed?
You were in a time loop.
Huh?
It's been disrupted. The readings almost
What?
suggest it's being manipulated by the No.
What?
Couldn't be.
What?
You two better get out there and do your thing, but be careful. I'll find out what's causing the cloister bell to go off, then I'll pop back and see you both okay.
We want to come with you.
Yeah!
If you're in trouble, we stick together.
Too dangerous. I'm sorry.
Wait, what? The cloister bell that happened last time, what's going on? Oh. Good golly gosh. My time's about up. Oh. There's only one person who can help now. I gotta call Bendy in here. Huh? Wait. What's going on?